This is a question from programming. Which of the statements are correct? Constructors are invoked automatically when objects are created. Constructor does not have a return type, not even void, and therefore cannot return values. Constructors cannot be inherited through a derived class and can call the base class constructors. Constructors can be declared as virtual. So first of all, let's understand the concept of a constructor, or what is a constructor. A constructor is a special member function of a class that is automatically called when an object of that class is created. So a constructor is a special member function. It is a special member function of a class, and it is automatically called when an object of the class is created. When an object of class is created, object of class is created. Its basic functionality is to initialize the object's data members and prepare the object for use. Basic functionality is initialize objects data members and prepare the object for use and prepare object for use. This is the basic concept of a constructor. Now let's see each options that are given for us. First one, a constructor is invoked automatically when the object is created. This statement is true. As I said in the point here, it is automatically created when the object of the class is called. So in object-oriented programming, a constructor, as I told, is a special method that is automatically called when the object is created. Its purpose is to initialize the new object's attributes. So this statement is true. So we can eliminate option 3 directly. Second one is constructor does not have a return type, not even void, and therefore they cannot return value. This statement is also correct. The basic functionality of a constructor is to initialize object. So the basic functionality is to initialize object and it is not intended to return any values, and therefore they do not have a return type, even null, even void. So they do not have a return type not even void. So option B is also correct. So option 4 can also be eliminated. Now let's see option C. Constructors cannot be inherited through a derived class and can call the base class constructors. This statement is correct because basically an object of a subclass type will automatically call its superclass constructor as part of its creation process, but the constructor itself isn't an inheritable part of the superclass. Based on this concept, this statement is true. Fourth one is constructors cannot be declared as constructors can be declared as virtual. So this statement is false because constructors cannot be declared as virtual. Virtual applies to functions that we have to execute polymorphically, where specific implementation details on the actual runtime of the object is depending. Constructors does not work this way. So constructors cannot be declared as a virtual. Virtual is that concept comes up when virtual is applied when we want to execute polymorphism. So here the specific implementation depends on the actual runtime of the object, and constructors cannot be declared as virtual. So based on the options A, B and C are correct. So option 1 is also false. Option 2, A, B and C only is the right answer here.